Hello guys, welcome to you all on my channel. So I was not making videos due to some reason, and today I'm presenting video monthly reading for water sign Cancer. Today I'm presenting video for Cancer people. So let's see what is your person's energy, what is your energy, and what is the overall energy of both of you in this relationship. So I will these cards are already shuffled. So I will take out these cards in front of you, and let's see what is your person's energy. So you need to be patient, and you need to see the whole video. So let's see. So spirits and guides, please tell me what is the current energy of Cancer's people. Those who are Cancers, what is the current energy of their person? Spirits and guides, please tell me what is the current energy of their person. Actually, I have to see from tarot, then from other decks as well, and we'll see the romantic as well as kinky feelings as well. Okay. That's what is the current energy of Cancer people. Cancer's person. What is the current energy of the person with whom Cancer is dealing? So let's see what is the current energy of your person. So Cancer, what I feel is that this person is guarded. This person is not talking to you right now. This person is guarded, and maybe you guys are in no contact situation because this guy is focused on his work. Right now, this person is focused on their work, and they are pretty much focused on their work, or maybe any studies. If you are a student, maybe if you guys are in college, maybe he or she is focused on their studies. Or if you guys are working, definitely this person is busy on making his pentacles and focused on his work right now, and that is why he's guarded. Because he or she wants to be a provider. uh, as I'm feeling from this card, what I'm feeling from this card is that maybe you are in a good post, and you are earning well in your profession, or you are doing well in your studies. That is why this person wants to be at your wants to be on same page with you, or this person wants to be a provider. That is why he or she is focused on their pentacles. That is why they are focused on earning good status, because they wants to be on good page, and he or she wants to be a provider. Or what I'm feeling is that if you are students, definitely you are doing well in your studies, and that person feel like only if he's on good post, and if he earns well, then only he'll be able to provide you all the facilities what you deserve. It is also a possibility that there is a lack of equal give and take in this relationship. You are doing a lot, and you are giving a lot in this relationship, and this person is not giving you or treating you equal, because and he's guarded as well. So maybe you are lacking equal give and take in this relationship, and this person is not providing you what you deserve. Maybe he or she is not providing you the time you deserve, attention you deserve, or maybe there is a third party situation in this relationship. Third party, I'm seeing that the third party can be their work, their boss, or it can be anyone. Maybe there is someone else in this relationship Or it is also a possibility that maybe you are dealing with someone right now and you just get bored of this person, and maybe you are dealing with someone right now, you are exploring other options. Or it is also a possibility that he's exploring other option, or he's behind your back dealing with someone, dealing with someone. It is also a possibility that maybe their family don't want this relationship to grow. So third party can be anything, and more or less, I am seeing from this situation, the cards which are placed on my table is that this person is more focused on their work. So in this scenario, um, this person, their work is the third party, and there is a lack of equal give and take because of this reason. Maybe he or she is preparing for some examination, and that is why he is more focused on his studies. Or maybe he or she is working and studying as well. So their time mostly he remain busy most of the time, and he gives most more attention to work rather than you. And this relationship right now is not priority for this person. uh, and yes, this person is not seeing things clearly. Even if you are making efforts, even if you are giving that person lots of love and affection, this person is not seeing that affection, not feeling your energy, not giving you much time, and not giving you much time. And um, yes, this person is lacking clarity. This person is not seeing things clearly, and he's blindfolded. um, or he intentionally ignoring you, because he's more focused on his materialistic things. He's more focused on his material things, and rather than he's not seeing the depth of this relationship. He's more focused on material things, and he's blindfolded. He's purposely ignoring you and this relationship. And that is why that is why he's having anxiety, because he from inside he knows that he's ignoring you purposely, and this is hurting him. And he know that he or she know that they know that you are hurt, and even he's hurt, and he knows that he's doing purposely, because he wants to do this for gaining material wealth and success in his life. It is also a possibility that this person is in and out in your life. He's not stable, and these cycles is going on from a very long time. You are going through cycles, and this cycles never ends. And this person comes in and out in your life, and you are very frustrated that what is the purpose? What is the purpose of this person? What he or she wants out of this relationship? And let me tell you what are the signs I'm seeing. Actually, you are dealing with the Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or not Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Sorry, maybe few of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and I'm saying, maybe you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But this person is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, especially Scorpio. Scorpio is very prominent, and Virgo is very prominent. Virgo is, yes. So you're dealing with a fire sign, or maybe you are dealing with earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Or you can be Virgo or Taurus or Capricorn, or maybe any fire sign. It can be anything. Don't just tie it up with the signs. It can be any sign. So either you or this person having these signs prominent in their birth chart. So definitely this person seeing you from far, this person watching your activities, this person is having eye on you, but this person is not taking any action, purposely ignoring you. And this person wants to provide you justice in this relationship. Definitely this person wants to provide you justice in this relationship, and want equal give and take in this relationship. And he or she wants to marry you one day. He or she will propose you, because from inside that person really feels bad about what he is personally intentionally doing. He's very guilty. Maybe he's having anxiety issues, is not sleeping well, because he's hurting you or she's hurting you purposely. But definitely down the line, after a few days or after a few months, I will tell you when this person will definitely provide you justice in this relationship, when he or she will finish their work, and when they are done with their project or studies, whatever this is, you better know. So this person will provide you justice and will definitely marry you or propose you for engagement or any sort of commitment. So it is a possibility that 20, either in 20 weeks or 20 days, or not 20 days, as I'm not seeing this person is in hurry. This person is actually very slow, and as I've told you, this person is more focused on studies and right now. Maybe within 20 weeks or within 7 to 8 months or 7 to 12 months, this person will contact you. But right now, don't expect too much from this relationship, and if you guys are in contact, definitely this person is not giving you much time, because I've told you even earlier that this person is more focused on their work. Let's see your energy in this relationship. What is the Cancer? What is the energy of Cancer in this relationship? What is the energy of Cancer in this relationship, Spirit? What is the energy of Cancer in this relationship? What is the energy of Cancer in this relationship? I will not pick all the cards. Let me shuffle. What is the energy of Cancer in this relationship? Okay, let's see, Cancer, what is your energy in this relationship? Actually, you guys are either in long distance relationship, or you guys are from different caste culture background, or it is also a possibility that you guys met online and you interacted online, and this relationship started on any social networking app or any matrimony app, or you guys met while traveling towards each other, or you guys met while journeying somewhere. You guys were doing your journey, and you guys met by instance, or it is a possibility that you are missing him and her, or you are seeing their photos which you have in your wallet, or maybe in your cell phone or anything like that. So you are missing that person, or you all guys have met online, or maybe you guys are on long distance relationship. This is your energy, or this person is your wish fulfillment, Cancer. This person, you really feel good when this person is in contact with you, and you feel really happy and good in their company, and this person is your wish come true. But right now you are very confused about this person. You are really confused whether to move on, whether to stay back and wait for this person. You really don't know. And that is why you are not sleeping well at night. You are you're not sleeping well at night, and you are like thinking a lot about this person, that where is this relationship going on, and you are in 10 of swords energy. Maybe this really hurts you, the way he or she behaving, the way he or she is behaving with you. This person, this is really hurting you, and you are in 10 of swords energy. Maybe you are more in love with that person. When I'm seeing this person's energy, I am not seeing any cup. Cup represents cup represents water, and water represents love. So this person, uh, this person is not in love with you, right? What I'm seeing is, I can't say that this person is not in love with you, but this person is not having emotions for you right now. He's more focused on his work. So you are in more loving energy. You are more grounded. You are more loving, and you are really confused about this person. Maybe you daydream about that person, as I've told you even earlier, that you miss that person a lot, you daydream about them a lot, you wherever you go, wherever you do, whatever you do, you really miss that person out. And this person is your wish fulfillment. You really feel blessed in their energy, in their company. And you are not sleeping well. You guys are mirroring each other, because this person is also having anxiety issues, this person is also not sleeping well at night. And this person, maybe this person having any sort of tension. Maybe he's having work, or he or she is having any work tension, or like any family issues going on, anything. Maybe he or she is in guilt because he or she is not treating you well. And maybe because of his behavior or her behavior, you just cut down that person out of your life. You are in a contract situation, you just pull your hands back, and you're not showing any affection towards you, even if you are you feel that this person is your wish fulfillment. Still you are this person really hurts you, and you are like behaving like a queen of swords. mm, you yourself is very abundant, you are self-sufficient, and you don't need anyone. Still you need this person, because this person really make you feel special, or you think that this person is abundant, nurturing, and on a very good post. And this person is a suitable match for you. You also are maybe a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or this person can be any of these signs. So you yourself is very on a good post. You yourself is from a very good background, and you also think about this person, that this person is actually a perfect match for you. That is why you are thinking a lot about this person, and you are also spying their social media. So this is both of your energy, and let's see from other cards what this person wants and what you want out of this relationship. So what is the current energy of this person? What is the current energy of Cancerian's person? Definitely, this person right now is busy. Toil and labor is the card which represents he's working hard, or she's working hard. And this person is fed up from their current energy, and this person wants change in their situation. And this person get fed up because he or she is working, workaholic person, or studying, studious. So this person wants change in this situation, and maybe he or she wants to contact you, meet you in person, or maybe send you some gifts. Maybe both few people having birthday in this month, so he or she will provide you some gift, or will give you some gift. And this person wants to create family with you, as we seen from tarot cards. This person wants to create family with you. And see, two cards are which represents family. This person either takes you as family, or you are like cousins, or maybe he or she is your far flung relative. Or it is also a possibility that you guys met through family, or in family function, anything like that. Or maybe you guys are family friends. But that person wants to create family with you. 38, 9, 17, 21, and 20. These dates are really important for you. And maybe you guys having birthday on these dates, or it's a possibility that you guys met on these dates, or you guys having energy, or anniversary of this relationship on these dates. 21 is coming from this deck as well. 9 is from this deck as well. 7, no. 10, 7, and 9. 9 is coming a lot. Maybe you are seeing triple nine in your as a synchronicity. You are seeing triple nine a lot. Or maybe you are seeing 20 a lot. Sorry, 21 a lot. Or maybe 4 or 7 or like this. 10 is very prominent, 20 is a very, these are synchronicities. What I'm saying is that 9 is coming a lot. Maybe you are seeing 999 a lot. 777 is very prominent, and 99. See, 4 times 9 is coming. Definitely any of one of you or few of you or all of you are seeing 9. See, 9 from this card, or you guys having birthday on 9 or 9th of this month, or either you guys were having a birthday on 9th of this month, or you guys having birthday on 9th of September, or you guys met on 9th. 9 is very prominent here. See, 9 9 9, and from this deck as well, 9. So 9 is definitely very prominent here. Either you guys met online, or you guys having birthday online, or you guys having an anniversary of this relationship on 9. And one more thing, 7. 20 is 20. You are seeing either 2020, 2020, or 21 a lot. But 9 is very 9 is coming a lot in your reading. So guys, definitely you both of you wants to create family with each other, and wants to start family with each other, and both of you wants this relationship to proceed to a next level. This person will contact you, talk to you, and will soon gift you something. Let's see what are the romantic feelings for you. Certain guides, please tell me what is the romantic feeling of Cancerian people, Cancerian persons. What are the romantic feelings of Cancerian person? The person with whom cancers are dealing. What is the current energy of them? And what are cancers? Okay. See, as I've told you, this person wants to marry you, and this is the card of marriage. No, actually, sorry. This is not the card of marriage. This person is saying that I never felt the way I am feeling for you. This person never felt the way he or she is feeling for you, and because of some reasons, he or she is not taking any action towards you, and both of you daydream about each other. I saw you in my dreams every day. Definitely, you or that person see each other in their dreams, or maybe you guys are in telepathy connection with each other, and he or she is obsessively thinking about you, or this is your energy, Cancer. You are obsessively thinking about that person, and you are obsessed about this person. For few of you, maybe you guys are in long distance relationship with each other, or you guys are right now distance from each other mentally or physically. So maybe he or she is having bike, or maybe he or she loves to ride, and this person is taller than you. He's having black hairs, and passion is required for keeping the relationship going on. I'm seeing that Cancer, this is your energy, that you want passion in this relationship because you are fed up of this relationship, and you want this relationship to spark again, and that is why you are saying this person. You want to convey this message to that person, that passion is required for keeping the relationship going on. If you are a cross watcher, definitely Cancerian wants to say that passion is required for keeping this relationship going on. Yes, this is true. Otherwise, this relationship will die. Let me see few more of these cards. See, this person is saying that you are mine, but he is right now stuck, and not taking any action towards you. He or she wants to kiss you because this person wants to say that kiss is the language of love, or if he or she kissed you, that person says that this is the language of love, or he or she missing to kiss you. You guys may be soulmate or twin flame. And Cancer, this is your energy. You think that this person is your soulmate or twin flame, and see, this person is like you miss them a lot, or he or she miss you a lot, and you are feeling their energy. Maybe you guys are in telepathy connection, or you are a soulmate or twin flame. This person wants to propose you, or you want this person to propose you and say you that please marry me. So this is your romantic feelings for each other, and let's see what are their feelings from other tarot deck. Let me see. Guys, I have a complaint from you guys that you guys are not sharing my channel, and people are not actually subscribing my channel, and people are not joining my channel, and this family which we are having is not growing, and this is really making me upset. That is why I've created more than 100 videos for you guys, and I'm appreciating that you guys watch my videos, but I'm really upset that you guys don't share my channel, and people my channel is not growing. Definitely, if I'm making efforts for you guys, I'm expecting something from you as well. Please share my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you are watching my videos, please subscribe my channel. And if you are new to this channel, please share my videos and like and comment on my videos. This will really makes me feel happy. And if you want to make me feel happy, please I will appreciate this. Please reply me back. At least comment on my videos. Let me know how you like my readings, and what changes do you want, and at least this doesn't take much time. If you press like button, this will not take much time, so you can try to like my videos. So emperor, this person either in authoritative position, or he or she wants to be on authoritative position, or right now he's in hybrid mode. He is thinking a lot about this relationship, what mistakes he has done, and the way he treated you. And definitely this person, either you guys are in long distance relationship, or you guys met online, or he or she think you that you are their world, or you cancer think that they are your world. Okay, let me pull one more card. You are keeping strength in this relationship, cancer, and you are not losing hope, but you are not showing much affection to that person, because this person not treating you well. But believe you me, this person will make efforts with to for you, and this person will come back to you. So let me see their kinky feelings for you. This person wants to actually get intimate with you, and this person wants uh, to be with you whole night, and this person wants to cuddle you when you are naked, and even before see, this person is saying that the anyone before him or her was a mistake, and everyone after me was a downgrade. So this person is thinking that you are their perfect match, and this person wants to cuddle you when you are naked, like this. I hope you are seeing this card. I wish this person, this nights never ends. So this person wants to get intimate with you, and wants to be your side whole night. So guys, this is my reading, and I hope you like my reading and will appreciate my work, and please make some efforts and press the bell icon, so that you will get update, and subscribe my channel, share my channel, like my videos, and comment on my videos. This person wants to say that he or she is craving for you, and he or she wants to eat you, and this person is saying that when you guys get married, or when you guys are alone, be naked when I get back home. So guys, thank you so much, and it's nice talking to you and nice creating videos for you. If you liked my work, please subscribe my channel, and stay blessed, stay back home, and enjoy Independence Day, and happy Independence Day to all of you. I hope you guys having great time with your families, as uh, this is the day where when some everybody is at home. So enjoy this day, and stay blessed. Thank you. Good night. Take care. Bye.